Titan Pro-4X includes all SV features with upgraded looks, technology, comfort, and off-road performance. The Pro-4X comes standard with a 400 horsepower V8 engine and four-wheel drive, and is available in both crew cab and king cab configurations. The Pro-4X is available in 6 exterior color options. One look at the Pro-4X King Cab and you'll know it's a serious truck. It comes with stylish, dark 18-inch alloy wheels, charcoal accents, and LED headlights and taillights. It has front tow hooks and a front aero spoiler delete for better ground clearance. The Pro-4X also comes with Pro-4X decals and has a 6.5-foot bed. Pro-4X Crew Cab adds full-size rear doors and has a bed length of 5.5 feet. The Pro-4X interior is available in charcoal cloth and charcoal leather. Inside, you'll see Pro-4X styling all around, with stitched badging and also silver metallic trim. There's a leather-wrapped steering wheel for a more enjoyable drive. Front passengers will enjoy the supportive captain's chairs and the large center console. Drivers will love having power-adjustable seats and dual-zone climate control. Start the Pro-4X with the push of a button. The rear-view mirror dims automatically for less glare. You can operate your garage door, lighting, and various other home appliances remotely with HomeLink. Your wipers can activate when they sense rain. There are 120-volt AC and 12-volt DC power outlets. There's also a holder for 2 smartphones or even a tablet. There's a high-tech 9-inch touchscreen with navigation that tells you where to go, turn by turn, and 2 rear USB ports. In the Pro-4X, there are even more driver assist features. There's tech that helps you conquer steep inclines, and traffic sign recognition that can help you stay aware of speed limits and stop signs. It's easy to see why the Titan Pro-4X is the off-roader's dream. It's got off-road tires and off-road performance shocks, along with armor underneath for when the road gets rough. There's even an electronic locking rear differential for the toughest conditions. The convenience package has a lot to offer, with many features to make your drive easier. The utility package makes your bed even more functional with several useful features. The moonroof package gives you fresh air, great views, and more comfort.